absolutely not. Not only did I not get booed, but every time.
With you in the middle.
You fake edited boos into a performance of me performing Rap Devil. Like,
so I gotta say, I heard that weak ass shit. It just confirms what I said already, man. Knees weak or old age, the real Slim Shady can't stand up. Wanna see all y'all hands up right now? The Rap Devil is in your motherfucking city tonight. Hey, fuck Marshall Mathers. Let's go. Years old, dogs. I'ma call up tricks, man. Man, I've been handling this shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. 6 years and surprise out just to come up this. I was a kid. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. We ain't gonna do is read the dictionary and stay inside.
They said that the concert was a Fall Out Boy concert, and that wasn't even your crowd. And the crowd didn't even know why they were. Tour. I know, but the crowd didn't know why they were throwing their middle fingers up or nothing like that.
Did you not just hear me explain? I get okay. Let's just say one. It's not. There's a. Here is this audience throwing banana peels while I'm fighting in my corner. They're just throwing banana peels in my corner. You know, it all started with the daughter thing.
So what did you say about his daughter that got him so mad? Yes. What did you say?
You know what I said.
That she's hot.
You have to admit you was out of line for that. She was 15, 16.
Look. I'm a father. One, I didn't know how old she was. I get it, 100%. And man to man, I'll tell you, I apologize. Can I take the tweet down? Sure. But public apology? Come on, man.
What was wrong with a public apology, though, if you felt like you was wrong?
I don't think anyone's prepared for that.
I thought Rap Devil was better than Killshot. I guess I'm in the minority because people been giving me flack for that.
I didn't say Killshot was better. I just say Killshot wasn't trash. That's what I said.
I didn't say Killshot was trash.
Rap Devil was executed
Killshot
great.
was a leg shot. Rap Devil, we're talking about facts. You want to talk about man buns? Connected art. You called me a mumble rapper? Oh my.
Yeah, that was
like.
stupid.
Can we just pour some out for this old dumbass? Like, I can't eat. I don't know what's wrong.
Did you
with
really
everybody.
smash this girl?
Yes, many of them.
Halsey?
Halsey, I'm sorry.
The 30-year-old and the 50-year-old.
So did you smash Halsey?
Absolutely.
Does this hurt you, like, just the fact that you were a fan of Eminem?
Right.
Does it bother you now that it's like...
Yeah.
Now listen, you did have a bunch of tweets where you was fanboying about Eminem.
Absolutely.
Crazy, your idol.
Absolutely. I said he was my idol on his on the diss record to him.
Did you ask him for an autograph for your daughter?
Cap.
Yeah, where's it at? I don't even know. Honestly, I don't think my daughter would want it. She texted me when that Killshot came out and was like, eh.
He said he'd rather be 80-year-old him than
20-year-old you. That was the best line he had in the whole
That's
song.
kind of a remix of a
Have you
G.
slowed down the drug use?
Absolutely not.
No.
Oh, my drug use?
Yeah.
Me, I I don't know. I don't know.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the van.